Hi, welcome back to our series where we are building an all-wheel drive VRS. As you can see, we have already removed my stock DQ380 gearbox from the car. We have installed the DQ381 gearbox. To mount the propeller shaft to convert it to an all-wheel drive. We have also done the wiring for the DQ381 coupler. As you can see, we are also doing the wiring for the Haldex control unit. We are also mounted the propeller shaft bushes on the end. Now we are going to mount the propeller shaft, connect everything, do the coding for it and see if everything works. If all good, maybe we'll also take it for a test drive in this video. We'll keep you posted and updated. As you can see, we have also installed an all-wheel drive specific downpipe. It's a custom 4-inch downpipe that we are installing so that we can also do stage in the future. So we also have space for the propeller shaft to sit in this.